ख़वातीन व हज़रात, अब वक्त है कि पाकिस्तान की पाक फ़िज़ाइया के शेर दिल शाहीन इस वक्त तमाम हाज़रीन महफ़िल को, शहदाए कराम की फ़ैमिलीज़ को, गाज़ियों को और पूरी पाकिस्तानी कौम को सलामी पेश करे। फ़िज़ाई कमेंट्री के लिए तशरीफ़ लाएंगी स्क्वाडन लीडर खदीजा आवान।
So get ready for the fly past.
Ladies and gentlemen, with hearts brimming with pride, Pakistan Air Force salutes every citizen of this great nation and the gallant warriors of our armed forces. Under their astute leadership, Pakistan Armed Forces surged ahead, inflicting a decisive blow to our adversary. We attribute this success to our matchless training, smart inductions, seamless operational readiness, and a homegrown kill chain sharpened by the mastery of modern warfare. For the first time in history, Pakistan Air Force conducted full-spectrum operations in this conflict, employing multi-domain warfare capabilities, including integration of space, cyber, and electronic warfare, along with strategic use of niche and disruptive technologies. During the first roundup, Pakistan Armed Forces in unison delivered a staggering blow to the adversary, achieving ascendancy in effects. Pakistan Army inflicted heavy damage to the enemy through destructive, precise, and strategic targeting, employing long-range vectors and unprecedented firepower. Whereas Pakistan Navy exhibited its unwavering resolve and deterred aggression. Pakistan Air Force destroyed 6 Indian Air Force jets, 3 Rafales, a Su-30, a MiG-29, a Mirage 2000, alongside Heron UAV. Ladies and gentlemen, today's flypast is more than a display. It is a tribute, a fiery salute to the resilience of our nation and to the undying spirit of Pakistan Armed Forces. As the fighter jets are running towards for a flypast, their approach signifies their resolve. Their speed identifies their combat potential, whereas their flashing lights would denote hope and bright future. You may please focus towards left side of the venue as the first aircraft of our fighter arsenal is about to reach the venue. And ladies and gentlemen, approaching the venue. Watch as the flares ignite, each burst a symbol of vigilance, each flare a fiery oath to defend, to deter, and to dominate. Next would be another fighter aircraft of our fighter arsenal, the pride of Pakistan. Ladies and gentlemen, the skies have come alive. This is more spectacle. This is legacy in motion. खुदा करे मेरी अर्ज़े पाक पर उतरे, खुदा करे मेरी अर्ज़े पाक पर उतरे, वो फसले गुल जिसे अंदेशाए ज़वाल ना हो. यहाँ जो फूल खिले वो खिला रहे बरसों, यहाँ जो फूल खिले वो खिला रहे बरसों, यहाँ खिज़ां को गुजरने की भी मजाल न हो. यहाँ जो सब्जा उगे वो हमेशा सब्ज रहे, और ऐसा सब्ज कि जिसकी कोई मिसाल ना हो। खुदा करे न कभी खम सरे वकार वतन, और उसके हुस्न को तशवीश माहो साल ना हो। खुदा करे कि मेरे एक भी हम वतन के लिए हयाते जुर्म ना हो, जिंदगी वबाल ना हो। आमीन।
Pakistan!